Papa sent me an alley bug here. I come out this morning. You see the bottom tray, top tray, I'm sorry. See my bees going in and out the hives? I noticed they wasn't coming in and out of this hive. They were doing nothing. And if you hadn't got a bee coming out, you know, every 2 or 3 seconds, you got a problem, baby. And when I opened it up, they're all dead. All the trays is empty. So apparently, I've been under the weather for the last week. I have not checked them the last week or 10 days. Something happened to the hive. And I got a feeling them rascals next door stripped it. There's nothing left. Got some nice wax. That's about it. I left some in there already. But anyway, I got everything laid out, the top tray with the sugar on it, letting the bees have it, letting them take it, let them grow. I reckon what I'll do is I'll clean this up real good. And then when I strip them and split them this coming summer, I'll have a hive ready to go. I've already got 4 hives in my shed ready because I'm planning on doing about a 4 or 5 way split. Anyway, like and subscribe. Everybody said you would lose a hive. That's why they always tell you, always have more than one beehive, just in case. So sooner or later, you're gonna lose one. And look, I'm forever working with these bees. I even wrap and insulated the hives. Put extra padding around them when it gets real cold. Put a shade cloth on them for the hot sun. Got them watered down here. Did everything I could possibly think of. But, like I say, sooner or later, one of them gonna go south. So I got the trays hanging up here, letting the bees rob them, and they own them. Then I'll come out to see them, clean them up, put them in the shed.